It has been a long journey, asawa ko. And now, we are finally getting married. And it's a great story because ito yung pinagpanata natin sa Ama. At ikaw ang pinili niya para sa akin. Ikaw yung binigay niya sa akin na makakasama ko habang buhay.
I love that you put so much thought into your whole design. It never goes unnoticed, but you don't have to spend that time.
To may mapapangasawa, this is the day we prayed of after the 6 years na magjowa. Finally, we will be married. The long wait has finally come. Thank you for all the wonderful things that happened to us in good and bad times, for giving me a strength and my happy feel. I promise that I will be your partner, your friend, your enemy, and your forever. I love you.
You're ready, perfect for me. You're ready, perfect for me.
I know that we always fight for small things or other things. Kasi pareho tayong seloso, parehong may topak minsan. Pero kahit ganon, we always fix it. And that is the reason why we're here today.
But nothing turns me on more than your eyes and your perfect smile. You don't need makeup to make you beautiful, perfume to make you sweet. You don't need fashion to make you suitable, the heels underneath your feet. You don't need hours to get just right. What looks so fat in any light? Cause you're amazing and it's crazy, but I'd make you mine tonight. You're
Akong si Glenn Katabay ay kinukuha kita, kapatid na Michelle Tawataw, na maging tunay na aking asawa. Ako'y nangangako, makikipagtipan sa iyo sa harap ng Diyos at ng ating mga saksi, at sa iyo na magmahal, matapat na asawa, sa kasaganaan at kahirapan, sa katuwa at kalusugan, sa kalusugan at karamdaman, paghiwalayin tayo ng kamatayan.
You're ready, perfect for me. Perfect for me. You're ready.
Thank you for being incredible man in my life. I promise to you that I will always be here by your side, even your ups and downs. I will always be proud of you and all your achievements. I will always support you and I always love you.
Don't let your eyes make you think that you need more than who you are. Don't be surprised when everybody can see your beautiful heart. You don't need makeup to make you beautiful.
Ang singsing na ito, aking ibinibigay sa iyo bilang sagisag ng pangako ng ating pagsuwi at ng nananatiling pag-ibig.
You're ready.